Your roof is more than just a set of shingles. It's the shield for your home. From the underlayment to the ventilation, your roof is a fully integrated system protecting you and your family from the elements and scorching sun. Don't underestimate the value of installing a quality roof for your home. Proper ventilation and insulation will ensure a comfortable home for you and your family while lowering your electric bill. Protect yourself and save money with Semper Solaris, an Owens Corning Platinum Preferred Contractor. With less than 500 Platinum Preferred Contractors in the country, Semper Solaris stands as one of the nation's elite roofing contractors. Owens Corning offers the best roofing materials and backs Semper's installation and workmanship for 50 years, assuring you and your family will remain comfortable and protected for years to come. When you add solar, your roof becomes an energy-producing system. Because solar and roofing are so integrated, it just makes sense to have them both installed by the same contractor. Offering a 50-year warranty on roofs and a 25-year warranty on solar systems, Semper Solaris gives you peace of mind as your one-stop shop for all your roofing, solar, and battery storage needs. For more information and to see all of our exclusive offers, visit sempersolaris.com.